You probably add cinnamon to your coffee, porridge, and baked goods, but did you know that it has health benefits as well? Welcome back to another Bestie video, viewers. For millennia, this spice has been valued for its therapeutic qualities. Even while you've undoubtedly been using it to season your favorite foods, you might not be aware of all the health advantages it offers. Now, what people have known instinctively for eons has been validated by contemporary science. Additionally, we will discuss the numerous health advantages of cinnamon in today's video. See the video through to the finish to learn about anything from reducing the risk of heart disease to protecting against cancer, boosting your lips, reducing the effects of HIV, and more. Reduces the chance of cardiac problems. Reduces the chance of heart problems. The most leading cause of premature death worldwide, heart disease, has been associated with a lower risk of developing cinnamon. 1 gram of it per day has been demonstrated to have positive effects on blood indicators in individuals with type 2 diabetes. In addition, it lowers triglycerides, bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol while maintaining steady levels of good cholesterol. More recently, a large review research found that these effects might be obtained with as little as 120 milligrams of cinnamon per day. Additionally, it raised levels of healthy cholesterol. Studies on animals have demonstrated that cinnamon lowers blood pressure. All of these things working together could significantly lower your chance of developing heart disease. Do you suffer from high blood pressure? What causes the sudden spike in your blood pressure? Tell us in the comments section below. Prevents cancer. Prevents cancer. Unchecked cell proliferation is a hallmark of cancer, a dangerous illness. Numerous studies have been conducted on the possible prevention and treatment of this condition with cinnamon. Overall, the evidence supporting the possibility that its extracts may offer cancer protection is restricted to trials conducted on animals and in test tubes. It works by slowing the development of blood vessels in tumors and the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, it seems to be toxic to cancer cells, leading to their demise. Cinnamon is a powerful stimulator of detoxifying enzymes in the colon, which protects against the spread of cancer, according to a study done on mice with colon cancer. Test tube research that demonstrated that it triggers protective antioxidant responses in human colon cells corroborated these findings. Aids in treating Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease symptoms. Aids in the treatment of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's symptoms. Parkinson's and Alzheimer's are two neurological disorders that are now incurable. Managing their symptoms is a major component of treatment. And you can increase this by include cinnamon in your daily routine. It has been demonstrated to support neurons and enhance motor function in patients with certain illnesses. These gifts will make it much easier for these patients to carry on with their daily activities. These effects are intriguing. According to a 2018 study that highlighted cinnamon's capacity to suppress substances that are hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. Eases discomfort in the digestive system. Reduces pain in the digestive system. For many years, both Eastern and Western medicine have utilized cinnamon extract to treat digestive issues. It is well known for its digestive, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory qualities and has been referred to as a carminative. Flatulence and digestive imbalances are treated with cinnamon bark oil in traditional Ayurvedic therapy. It is thought that the warmth of this spice helps the body fend against sickness by improving blood oxygen levels and blood flow. Take it in a hot beverage, such as tea, to ease upset stomachs. Serves as an organic anesthetic. Serves as an organic anesthetic. In some circumstances, cinnamon might serve as a pain reliever. You can apply a paste made from 1/2 teaspoon of it in water to your forehead to relieve sinus headaches. According to studies, combining ginger or honey with cinnamon powder can help relieve the discomfort associated with arthritis. It is a good source of manganese, which aids in the development of connective tissues such as bones. Because of this, it helps with osteoporosis and arthritis. Applying a paste with a mixture of it and ginger can also help ease tight muscles after an exercise. Possesses antibacterial properties. Has antibacterial properties. It has been demonstrated that cinnamon inhibits the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi in food. It is not surprising that this spice was used in a lot of savory and sweet recipes throughout the Middle Ages, when food spoiling was much more common due to a lack of refrigeration. However, these qualities are not limited to the foods. Additionally, your body gains from these qualities. It can be used in a treatment plan for everything from respiratory issues to the typical cold. This is because it promotes circulation and aids in mucus clearance. Therefore, when combined with other treatments, it can help with anything from a minor seasonal cough to bronchitis. These advantages were emphasized in a review of the literature, which cited data showing cinnamon can suppress bacteria by rupturing cell membranes and changing their lipid composition. Could aid in HIV management. May aid in HIV management. Since cinnamon has antibacterial qualities against viruses, it may aid in the prevention or treatment of HIV. According to research, its extract may be able to combat the HIV virus by keeping it from infecting cells. In light of this, it might help manage the illness. According to a study, blocking viral entrance with a chemical derived from cinnamon is one of the most promising ways to stop HIV from developing into AIDS. Lifts the lips. Fuller lips. Gentlemen and ladies with thin lips, rejoice. Your skin's surface blood flow is enhanced by cinnamon. Your lips may actually become fuller as a result of this. Costly injections are not required. Just combine a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon with a few drops of coconut, olive, or vitamin E oil, or even some Vaseline. Create a paste now to put on your lips. Pluck up after letting the liquid set for a few minutes and then washing it off. Possesses anti-inflammatory qualities. Possesses anti-inflammatory qualities. An essential component of your immune system's reaction is inflammation. On the other hand, chronic inflammation, if ignored over time, can lead to illness. When they are not needed, antioxidants assist in keeping the body from responding inflammatorily. Additionally, cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties due to its high flavonoid content, which is a class of plant proteins with potent antioxidant activity. Could alleviate polycystic ovarian syndrome. Possibly alleviate polycystic ovarian syndrome. A frequent condition that affects how a woman's ovaries function is called polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS. Although the exact etiology is uncertain, it is believed to be connected to aberrant hormone levels and insulin resistance. For 8 weeks, the effects of cinnamon and a placebo were examined in a study. Those taking cinnamon showed significant reductions in their insulin resistance. The placebo group did not show the same changes. According to a recent meta-analysis and comprehensive review, there may be beneficial effects on PCOS parameters when it comes to cinnamon and herbal supplements. Could aid in the treatment of metabolic diseases. Potentially aid in the management of metabolic diseases. It should come as no surprise that cinnamon would be useful in the treatment of metabolic disease if it has potential advantages over type 2 diabetes. According to one review, it may be useful in lowering blood pressure, plasma glucose levels, and obesity in addition to other metabolic syndrome problems, morbidity, and mortality. Because of its naturally sweet taste, it can also be used as an appetite suppressant for people who are addicted to sugar. Although these potential benefits of cinnamon are encouraging, further carefully planned subject studies are required before any firm conclusions can be made. Possesses anti-carcinogenic qualities. Possesses anti-carcinogenic qualities. A lot of superfoods are said to have anti-carcinogenic qualities. However, it's crucial to distinguish between superfoods and superpowers. There is evidence that cinnamon may also have anti-carcinogenic properties. However, the most of the study to date has been conducted on animals. Research has indicated that the extract from it causes malignant cells to die off and stops their proliferation. Preliminary studies on the protective effects of cinnamon against stomach and lung cancer was emphasized in a review study. It is an effective antioxidant. It's an effective antioxidant. Several studies have demonstrated the potent antioxidant effects of cinnamon. According to one double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled study, it may help overweight or obese people's antioxidant levels. According to a study, essential oils containing cinnamon exhibited high antioxidant properties when tested in vitro. These lower your body's vulnerability to numerous harmful ailments by shielding it from the harm that free radicals can cause. You may already be aware of the amazing health benefits of antioxidants. Watch the video, Eating Foods High in Antioxidants Would Do This to Your Body, to see how your body would benefit from consuming foods high in antioxidants on a daily basis. Let's get back to cinnamon's health advantages. Can benefit your eyes. Can benefit your eyes. Conjunctivitis and dry eye are two conditions that may benefit from the use of cinnamon in combination with other herbs, according to some research. An assessment of a product containing, among other things, turmeric and cinnamon revealed that the mixture may be helpful in treating this and other eye conditions. After outlining all of the health advantages, let us to discuss the many varieties of cinnamon. The two primary kinds are cassia, sometimes known as Saigon cinnamon, and Ceylon cinnamon. In the United States, cassia, the darker colored kind, is the most prevalent. It contains a lot of coumarin, a blood-thinning substance that, in large amounts, can be harmful to the liver. But same cassia ingredient is also supposed to help regulate blood sugar. On the other hand, Ceylon cinnamon has a milder flavor and color and has a lower coumarin content. Thus, how can one incorporate cinnamon into their diet? It can be used to both savory and sweet meals. It tastes great on protein like meat, chicken, or tofu, as well as in soups and stews. It can also be added to coffee, smoothies, and many sweets. It can also be used to add color to yogurt or fruit salads. In the end, cinnamon can improve a wide variety of dishes and beverages. Which method of incorporating cinnamon into your diet is your favorite? Is it found in coffee, soups, smoothies, or desserts? Tell us in the space provided for comments below.